Hey everyone, Mike with AllBrite Pressure Washing and More. Welcome to the channel where we talk about pressure washing, gutter cleaning, and more. Back in February, I purchased a 300 watt pulse laser. I'm still learning how all the settings work, but so far we cleaned up a couple oil stains on driveways and one stain on a front porch, which was a transparent stain. Someone was refinishing their ceiling and some got on the concrete. You can see it in our other video. I'll tag it in this one. I've been able to successfully remove paint from our trailers that start to rust and get down to bare metal. This is awesome for repainting. As you can see in the video, I've been doing a lot of practicing on stain on wood, trying to get it off without burning the wood. Seems that if I turn the frequency up really high and the pulse just about 115, I'm getting pretty good results. I still have to scuff it with some sandpaper, but that's just removing the loose stain that is on the wood. Thanks for checking out our video, and if you've ever used a pulse laser or you're in the laser cleaning industry, please shoot us a comment. We'd love to hear about it.